Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Reels history on Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and you land on your home page, now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. That will take you to your profile page. Now tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will pop up. From there, tap on your activity. Now tap on likes, and here you will see all your liked Instagram reels here. You will not be able to see the watch history, but you will only be able to see all those reels that you have liked on Instagram. And if you like to delete or remove any one reels from here, you can simply select and remove that specific reels. And that's how you will be able to see all your reels on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.